Oh my god, guys, I can't believe it's taking me this long to have my first Britney look. Who am I? Do I even do 90s and 2000s videos? I don't know. I am ashamed of myself, actually, but I think it's because I have seen it all over YouTube and I kind of felt intimidated to do my own, but who cares? So there's other people who do it. I want to do it too. Anyways, we just start with the usual concealing and foundation. This is actually a super easy look, which I think is funny because it's a very flattering look, and I feel like I got a lot of compliments on my makeup this day when I went to work. Of course, I didn't go to work as Britney, but like when I took the wig and costume off, people really loved the makeup. And then also on Instagram and TikTok, people really complimented the way the makeup looked. So that is something truly special about this makeup as well. Also, guys, if my voice sounds weird, I am recovering from a cold, so please excuse that. Now I'm taking my translucent powder by Revlon. I actually hate this powder because it has sparkles in it and it makes you look like a living vampire. Now this may work for Bella Swan, but it does not work for Britney. So if you guys have a more matte powder, just use that. You can't tell with my studio lighting, but with sunlight and normal lighting, you can definitely tell that I'm sparkling from the gods above. So now I am just lightly coating my brows. Just forget about the eyebrows, you guys. If you have thin, light taupe brows, that works. I tried making my eyebrows look more of a taupe color, but they always end up looking red somehow. I guess because I have red hues in my brows from coloring them, but I did not like the way my eyebrows turned out. But just ignore the eyebrows, and yeah, I just wanted to make sure I kept that in there. So now I'm just showing you guys the first shade that I went in with. It's just a white eyeshadow. Honestly, you don't need any specific palette for this. As long as you have a white shimmering eyeshadow, a matte white eyeshadow, you can achieve this look. So right here, this is a white matte eyeshadow that I'm going with all over the eye. On both eyes, of course. And then you already know what the next step is probably going to be. It's going to be the shimmering eyeshadow. So as soon as you're done coating the matte eyeshadow, take a white shimmering shadow and you're gonna wanna place this on the lid and then on the inner corners. So you just want that white eyeshadow to really stand out. As you can see, the shimmering eyeshadow doesn't look that shimmering because it's white. So it doesn't have to be. You could use all mattes if you want. This is just so your eyes don't look chalky. And place it a little bit on the brow bone, and also you want to put it underneath the lash line as well because you want that really white effect. This was this era, you know what I mean? So it was all about frosty shadows. I personally really love it. Then you're gonna need a white eyeliner for your waterline. Everything is white, you guys. This is such a simple look and it's iconic. That's what makes me so happy, is it wasn't super hard to do. And it's not gonna be hard for you to do either. So now coat your lashes with some primer. No, she doesn't have white eyelashes, but I wanted my lashes to stand out against this white eyeshadow. So that is what I'm going to be doing here. So the primer is, you don't have to do this. This is just so my lashes could look sky high. Just taking any mascara and coating my lashes. I am going to be using magnetics for the outer corner. I'm not sure she wore lashes or she had amazing lashes, but she might have been wearing individual lashes. I just don't think this look would be complete without like some type of individual lashes or magnetics. And I'll show you guys in a bit that the magnetic lashes I chose are super natural. They're by Ardell. They were on their last leg here, you guys. I had to throw them away after this video because I have ran those lashes into the ground. They're magnetic, so you can use them as much as you want, and I sure took advantage of that. Now take a peachy pink blush and place it heavily on your cheeks. This was a music video, it doesn't matter. So like you see, I'm just using my Ardell magnetic lashes for the outer corners only. And then I am taking my NYX Tried and True lip liner, and I think it's Whipped Caviar, that's the color. All over the lips. You just want to take like a peachy pink color. It's really simple. So just take a peachy pink color all over the lips. And then I am using this Live Glam lip gloss, and this one is called Salsa. So it is a very corally pink color. So just a pinky nude-ish color all over the lips, and you guys will turn into Britney. I really hope you enjoy this Oops, I Did It Again makeup, and if you want to see another Britney look, let me know. I really want to do Slay For You Stronger, and I don't know, she has so many good looks, so we'll see. You guys, I will see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.